Shit. Nikilewa sitaki nigasiwe, niaje msela, mbona unanikera? Nikishalewa sitaki nigasiwe, niaje msela.
Bring it down, DJ. Bring it down, DJ. Oh, na, 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 na.
Ladies and gentlemen, raise. Oh, come on, whatever you can do. Everybody, come on. One time, say. Come on, say. Already, come on. Everybody, take. Oh, DJ says, come on. Everybody now. DJ, take me to the room of operation. Operation, DJ says. Take me to the room of operation. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the ghettos, are you ready? One, two, three, yeah. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Hey. DJ says, are you ready now? Take me to the room of operation. I'll be.
So just chill and let's do this together. Ladies and gentlemen, now I had to bring it down because we are going straight back into comedy.
And he said that he is going to be here. I just called him a few minutes ago. He told me he's around. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put that. Make some noise for Bella Schroeder! Show me some love.
Yeah.
Show me some love.
Some noise. Celebrate the king himself. It's about to get, ladies and gentlemen.
Show me some love for Kevin Black! Oh, no. Last time, take you now. Let me hear you say, all the guys say Kenny Black, take my wife. Don't go for start small. See, I say see. When I know say I be shy boy. I know they live up to follow me my but my brother ability. Tell me say Kenny Black, oh, you say Ken. If you love somebody, welcome to our town. Because no plan at all. So one day I see this lady for one of my guy party. She dey look me and look up, she dey look me and look up. So I walked up to her myself. I say, fine girl, I just want to dance with you. It's your perfect on me, anything you want to. I say, even if the girl look me sick and the black, I bet. I say, what do you make this? I got money from California. I got money from the slums. You get sick and the black. When you stay, I stay for it to go. You say, Kenny Black, give me your number. I give the girl, man. She make I give her my number. So I give her my number. I say 444. You free to do anything with the number. Ready dance. So she don't say can you black when we dance. As I know sabi dance, but I go try. She make a teach you the dance. She make a teach you the dance. I tell the girl, I say, bounce your body on me. Continue. Don't gonna calm down. Now my joke. But now our joke. Because he choke. So, as when they get the talk, you take any black. Me and they stay for a job. Hope you get that buffet to come to my house. Hope you go fit come my job. I say fine girl, see, you know they have just pick with it. Tell me what is the time and place to only the fuck your case. I don't get motor but I go drive. Kilometer. DJ Brown. I swear I go drive. See, 3 days she don't call me. 1 year she don't call me. After the 3rd year she don't call me. Is it any black? I'm the girl from Black Hotel. I say, hello. How you doing? My angel man. The only one that I've been seeing. The girl say, can you black? Wait. She say, can you black? Where you are? What you do? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in my room. I look too good to be able to see my ass clean. Pagokari. I said, all up Pagokari. And when I'm done with you, I bet you the boy, I swear, see, you go need no other body. You go need no other body. She said, can you black? He said, tonight, I'll give you piece of me. Yeah. Come and leave it, come on. I said, come closer, I am at that phone. To watch this down and can you black? I say, I've been looking at you all day. You making me. You just want to. Guys, thank God so I got you. Anyone I come back to me. Everything come back to me. Single ladies here. I'm looking for someone to satisfy me. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me. I want to make some noise, make some noise, DJ Alpha now and then. We don't talk family now. So anytime I want to need me a day for now. So I beg you guys in the name of God, go to your Netflix and stream In My Room Kenny Black. Tell your friends all over Africa, all over Canada, all over UK that Nigeria is on Netflix and is represented by Kenny Black. Now wait, I need your phone. Where your phone? Now I wanna go bring out to my phone. I go on the torchlight.
Get your phones out.
So when I say what are you watching on Netflix, you go say In My Room. When I say by who, you go say Kenny Black. I want me to know say I won't get fans. I get family for last photo. Last button, what are you watching on Netflix? What are you watching on Netflix? By who? What's my name? Make some noise! In fact, because of our apartment, now one joke I won't do next, but I will do 2. Eyes on my neck. Eyes on my wrist. Many days I sleep. Every day I'm just goodbye. Tired. Roller coaster, I never tire. Do like this. Say, back to sender. You wish me back to sender. Are you ready to? Yeah. Higher. I never come down. Are you ready to drop? I say, surely see. One life. Be loud. Are you ready to jump? Are you ready to jump? Are you ready to jump? Let's get this place. EFCC. Eyes on
Winners don't win, the winners don't quit. I remember my friends, the one that gonna. So we made up my mind by the grace of God. Kill them with love, I will never give up.